it's not right.
Да, хорошо.
What's going on?
Хуёк, хуярик, пиздец.
Hi. So this is Regina part 3. We're on the boat and we're fishing on this big ass lake, and yeah, apparently we got some fish. Well, this man over here did. He caught one, but he let it go. And this is Didi. He's a designated driver off the boat for the day. So once you go, oh, hey, there's too much water coming in here. So once you guys just have a look around. Okay. Hopefully you're pretty good, Theo. And I hope you out, dandy.
Плохо забрались, блядь.